Hey there! So let's dive into this interesting problem we have on our hands. We've got servers A and B in our setup, along with multiple users with their home directories in home. The challenge we're facing is syncing home from A to B using Rsync, but with a few specific requirements in mind to tackle. Now let's talk about the solution to this complex problem. The key to achieving this lies in utilizing a tool called UnionFS. The first step is to install UnionFS Fuse by running apt install UnionFS Fuse. After that, create a directory for the overlay file system at the desired location. Then, use the UnionFS command with the appropriate options to mount the overlay file system read-only for the designated user, in this case, with the user id 101. This ensures that we maintain the desired permissions and access control while syncing the directories. Building upon the initial setup, let's take a closer look at the configuration needed to mount the UnionFS with the desired settings using fstab. The syntax in the fstab entry will be somewhat unusual, but make sure to follow it correctly to achieve the desired result. By specifying the mount options and the corresponding user id, we ensure that the overlay file system is mounted with the required restrictions to prevent any unintended writes. In summary, we've explored a rather unconventional, yet effective approach to sync directories between two Linux servers, while overcoming specific challenges related to permissions and access control. By leveraging UnionFS and configuring it appropriately, we've managed to address the complexities of the task at hand. Hope you found this solution insightful and helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay tech savvy, and see you in the next one.